Hello everyone. Today's topic of discussion is hair oiling, wise or otherwise. Hair care is always considered of prime importance in our daily lives. Hair conditioning may be a modern concept, but we Indians have been applying oil on our hair for generations. Natural oils such as coconut oil, amla oil, almond oil, etc., when applied to hair, act as natural conditioners and make it soft and silky. In many Indian homes, champi or tel malish on weekends is still a routine activity. You may still remember how your mother or grandmother insisted on oiling your scalp during your childhood days. As you grew up, however, you perhaps stopped hair oiling ritual, maybe due to lack of time, or because it's messy, or simply because you believe it isn't necessary anymore. You could actually use hair oil in many different ways, as a head massage, as an overnight application, as a pre shampoo 30 to 60-minute application, and as a post shampoo styling and conditioning agent. Often, numerous natural ingredients such as aloe vera, hibiscus, neem, lemon, egg, milk, yogurt, etc., are added for medicinal benefits, maybe to prevent hair loss or hair damage, and sometimes for promoting hair growth also. Vegetable oils such as coconut oil coat the hair and lubricate the shafts, which decreases the friction between the hair and makes it easier to comb. Oil also penetrates to the hair cortex and strengthens it from the root. Even if you wash the oil with a shampoo, a thin coat is left behind that works like a conditioner, sealing the cuticle and smoothing the hair. Oiling prevents hair breakage along the hair shaft length. So, all in all, hair oil is definitely useful, but we need to know how to use it properly. Question is, which hair oil must I use? You could use any hair oil, but some studies place the benefits of coconut oil over those of sunflower or mineral oil, of course. The most popular ones used are coconut oil, almond oil, olive oil, sesame seed oil, sunflower seed oils, etc. But you must have of late even read something about argan oil or Moroccan oil. Is argan oil really helpful for your hair? Argan oil is actually an extract of argan plant kernels. This plant grows in Morocco. It is rich in unsaturated fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants and has a thick, silky texture. There has been a flux of argan oil containing cosmetics in the market over the last few years. It is also known as liquid gold because of its golden hue and its versatile uses. This oil is excellent to smoothen dry and frizzy hair. Many hair leave-in conditioners contain a blend of argan oil in it because they are very good at detangling the hair and provide luster to your hair also. So for your dry or brittle hair, argan oil definitely acts as a moisturizing agent. Now, the most often asked question. Does oil help in avoiding dandruff or in treating dandruff? Now, usually people feel that dandruff is caused due to dryness. But contrary to this popular belief, dandruff is caused by overgrowth of a harmless yeast. And many a times this yeast feeds on excess oil and dead skin cells, which leads to flakes. So obviously, excessive oil use can actually exacerbate dandruff. Oil is definitely not a solution for dandruff. People apply oil feeling that it will loosen the flakes, but this does not happen. Instead, applying hair oil on the infected head may accelerate hair fall. However, lemon tea extract and tea tree oils are exceptionally used in oil form to treat dandruff due to their different action, not because they are oil form. I have a very oily scalp and my hair turns oily the day after shampooing. Should I still apply oil? If your scalp is oily, it produces a lot of sebum, which is a natural oil that coats the hair. External oiling will aggravate this and make your hair oilier and limper. So it's advisable that you don't apply oil regularly on your oily scalp. Once in 15 days or a month should be okay. Why do I lose more hair on the days I oil my hair? You shed a lot more hair on the day following the head massage. The culprit is not the oil. During your head massage, the telogen hair, which would have shed over the next few days anyways, is dislodged due to the massage action. It only seems like you are losing hair after a head massage when you are actually losing hair that was meant to fall. So, head massage with an oil is not the cause for concern. Does oiling help prevent early graying of hair? There is no scientific evidence to substantiate that regular oiling helps to prevent or delay early graying. Is it okay to oil chemically straightened or colored hair? A very good question, in fact. The hair shaft becomes weaker and gets damaged with most chemical treatments such as coloring and straightening, making it vulnerable to breakage and increased hair loss. Oiling seals the cuticles and helps to smoothen the hair. It also prevents protein loss from the interiors of the hair strands, increasing the tensile strength of the hair and reducing hair breakage. So, regular oiling of chemically treated hair helps in more ways than one.